Hello everyone, this is just a short walking tour of the Khao Lak Bayfront Beach Resort. It's located on the hill as you drop down into Khao Lak. It's one of the first resorts here. I think there's another one or two before, but this is quite on the edge. So it is located on a little hill. I'll just give you a quick walk through so you can know what to expect. If you like these little walkthrough videos I've been doing, please like and subscribe, it does help. So, walk through to reception area. And as you can see, you are at the top of the resort here. And just at the bottom there you can see the restaurant. The date I'm filming this is the end of May, which is kind of like on the shoulder season of the season. So we're going pretty much into rainy season now. So the weather can be quite unpredictable. I've already been in the area for around a fortnight already, and we've had everything from blistering sunshine to torrential downpours. So you're not really guaranteed the weather, but humidity is quite high, but it is warm. You can still catch the sun very, very easily, even with plenty of cloud cover. So these are the first rooms that are on the top of the hill. Quick walk to the restaurant. We've chosen to go for bed and breakfast, so breakfast is available here, and this is the restaurant that does either a buffet restaurant or an a la carte style meal type. We had breakfast here this morning. I think breakfast starts at 7 till around about 10 or 10:30, I think. Got the seating area a little lower down. It's very quiet at the moment, all through Khao Lak. So the hotel isn't running at anything like capacity. Plenty of room options available. They do offer quite a good deal on the different room rates this time of year, so you can get a really competitive deal in the lower seasons, out of season should I say. So the hotel is on a cliff or hill, so there's plenty of walks to get from one place to the next, and they are on a gradient, so maybe a little bit more not so agile on your legs. You'll know exactly what to expect now. So from here on in, it's pretty flat all the way now to the beach. I've got a lovely ornamental pool with some really, really big, I think there's a koi carp. A little shaded area for if you want to read. And to this side, a library and somewhere to sit and do a little bit of work on the internet, I suppose, in the shade with quite a pleasant view. There's absolutely no noise from the road here. You can just hear the ocean waves, which you'll hear in a minute, and no traffic noise at all. You can hear the birds and all the creatures, and there are plenty of lizards roaming around. There's quite a few resident lizards here that seem to chill by the pool during the day, which is quite nice. I'll be talking quietly now, but this is where you can have a massage. They start from around about 400, which is about 100 baht dearer than going to the main high street, but you're a little bit off the high street here, so it might be worth your while just spending a little bit extra and relaxing directly by the pool. These are some of the other hotel accommodations. I'm not going to do a room tour, but the room we have is one of these. It's very large, it's very comfortable. The air conditioning is excellent. The water pressure is excellent. So this is the first pool you'll get to. Swimming here yesterday, and there was just lizards, big lizards just chilling by the pool. There's a beach bar that opens at either 10 or 11 o'clock, I can't remember. But in the evening this turns into the restaurant. The restaurant's open until 10:30 in the evening. We had food here last night. Very competitively priced, especially as a beachfront type place. Next door is much more expensive to have dinner. But they offer quite a decent selection of food. I had pad thai last night, which was quite reasonable. And I think they offer beers for around about 100 baht, which is pretty standard. They offer a selection of beachfront villas. I don't think you can book these on the internet. I think you have to book these direct with the hotel. I inquired about the price direct with the hotel in low season, and it's working at around about 78 British pounds for the day, for the night, should I say, including breakfast. There you go, there's a general overview of the resort from looking back. Lots of deck chairs laid out. For me, this is the absolute ultimate view. It's just beautiful. So the weather's not fantastic at the moment, but as a view, this is absolutely beautiful. You're right on the edge of the beach here, so the beach itself is quite quiet. You don't get many people walking backwards and forwards. It's really chilled out. Just pan all the way around. You can walk all the way. I don't know if you know Khao Lak, but there's like a lighthouse in the middle, so you can walk all the way from here to the lighthouse and then walk up into the centre. So if you don't want to walk up the hill at the hotel, you can quite easily walk along the beach on the flat and then enter the middle of Khao Lak Centre itself quite easily without having to do a big walk uphill. Okay, yet again, beachfront villas. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Hope you find this kind of content helpful, and I'll see you again.